Understanding cultural differences in proximity and personal space. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting English language learning video. Today we're going to delve into an interesting part of the listening comprehension strategies, understanding speakers' tone and attitude. Specifically, we'll focus on the fascinating topic of proximity and personal space, with an emphasis on the cultural differences in proximity and personal space. Let's get started. When we talk about proximity and personal space, we refer to the physical distance that people feel comfortable with when they interact with others. This concept can be crucial for comprehending nonverbal cues in communication. However, what might be considered normal distance in one culture can be seen as too close or too far in another. Recognizing cultural differences in proximity and personal space is key to improving your English listening comprehension skills. Understanding these differences allows you to better interpret nonverbal cues, which can influence how you perceive a speaker's tone and attitude. For instance, if a person from a culture that prefers larger personal space feels another person is standing too close, they might seem annoyed or uncomfortable. Recognizing this reaction can provide additional context to their spoken words. Now let's explore a few examples. In countries such as the United States and the United Kingdom, people typically prefer a larger personal space. Standing too close to someone you don't know well might be viewed as invasive. On the other hand, in countries like Italy or Brazil, people often stand closer to each other while talking. Being distant might be interpreted as being aloof or unfriendly. In Asian countries like Japan or South Korea, the distance can depend on the relationship between the individuals, with closer proximity among friends, but a respectful distance maintained in professional settings. Remember, these are just general cultural tendencies and individual preferences can vary significantly. Here are a few practical tips. 1. Observe and imitate. Watch how people interact with each other in different settings. Notice their personal space and try to mimic that distance when interacting. 2. Ask when in doubt. If you're unsure about what's appropriate, don't hesitate to ask. Most people appreciate the effort to respect their cultural norms. 3. Be adaptable. Flexibility is key when dealing with different cultures. Adapt your behavior according to the culture you're interacting with. That's all for today's lesson on cultural differences in proximity and personal space. Remember, understanding these differences is not just about etiquette. It's a tool to help you better comprehend nonverbal cues and ultimately improve your English listening skills. Keep practicing and observing, and you'll get better at navigating these cultural nuances over time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.